So yeah, I'm trying out a new lure today. This is the Asari Mini Runner 40 XD. So yeah, that looks like an awesome lure. So yeah, all right, let's give it a try. Alright, cool. So yesterday when I was here at high tide, I snagged my lure. I'm just going to try and get it back. So yeah, the tide's super low. So the tide's really low now. And I know exactly where I snagged it. So I've got to try and get it. I think I could see it. Just snagged on that piece of netting there, so I really want to get it back. So I'm probably going to slip over. I am not sure. Alright, here goes. Super slippery. And buddy, there's my lure. So yeah, I found my little Asari 40 XD lure. It was right in here. It's not coming off because it's stuck in some rope. Trying to get it unhooked. There's the first one. And there it is. Woo. So stoked to get that back. Alright, so the video can continue. So yeah, this is that drain at low tide. So yeah, mission accomplished. I got it back. Alright, so now I can continue the video. Got a fish on. I think it's a pike. So yeah, it's a nice little fish. A little pike. It's got some awesome colours. And he's just hooked in this top lip here, by the bottom lip, by this top treble. I'll just grab that out, and away he goes. Woo.